Hello my dear students, so welcome back to my class. So today in this video I will cover class 6 maths chapter number 7 fraction exercise 7.4. So question number 1, write shaded portion as fraction. Okay, we have to write all this shaded fraction. Okay, this given figure we have to write in a fraction and arrange them in ascending and descending order. Okay, we have to arrange in ascending and descending order using correct sign between the fraction. Okay, first we will convert the fraction. So first one, how many part are shaded? 1 2 3 part is shaded, isn't it? So what you will write, 3 upon, and what is the total here? Total is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Total is how many part? 8. Now for the second one, how many part is shaded here? 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 part is shaded and total is 8, isn't it? So for the next one, 4 part is shaded and total is again 8. Now for the last is given how much? 1 upon, because only one part is shaded, that means 1 upon 8. So we got all this. Now we have to arrange this in ascending and in descending order. So ascending order means small to big. So we can see all the denominator are same. If all the denominator are same, then these are called what? Like terms, isn't it? If all denominators are same, then this is called like term. So in the like term, the smaller numerator will be the smaller fraction and bigger numerator will be the bigger fraction. So which is smallest here? 1 upon 8. Then next will be what? Next will be 3 upon 8. Then next will be 4 upon 8 and next will be 6 upon 8. This is what? Ascending order, isn't it? This is ascending order. Now if you are going to write in descending order, then first what we have to write, 6 upon 8 is greater than 4 upon 8 is greater than 3 upon 8 is greater than 1 upon 8. In this way you will solve. Okay, this is the answer for question number 1. So hope you have understood. First you will write the fraction of this given figure. After that you will arrange them in ascending and then in descending order. So first one is for ascending order. You will write ascending order, and the second one is for, this is for descending order. So this second question, B question, will be your homework. Okay, B question will be your homework. So now come to question number C. So question number C is given. So 2 upon 6, 4 upon 6, 8 upon 6 and 6 upon 6 on the number line. Put appropriate sign between the fraction given. Okay, on number line we have to draw and also we have to put appropriate sign here. Now denominator is same. If denominator is same, then they are like term. So in like term, the bigger numerator will be the bigger one. So which is bigger here? 5 upon 6 will be bigger here. And for the next one, which will be bigger? Yes, 0 will be not bigger, isn't it? Because 0 will be less than 3 upon 6. That means 3 upon 6 will be greater. Now again here you can see both are 6, means like term. So which will be bigger? 6 upon 6 will be bigger. And for the next one, which will be bigger? 8 upon 6 will be bigger one, isn't it? Now if you will draw this in a number line, I have already explained in the previous exercise. I think in exercise 7.1 or in 7.2 we have drawn number line, isn't it? We have located fraction in a number line. So for this, to locate, what you will write, you will draw a number line between 0 and 1, isn't it? Between 0 and 1. Okay, wait, yes, between, I will use tape pen, 0 and 1. Okay, now what is the fraction here? Fraction is 6. That means we have to divide this into 6 part. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5. Now here 6 part, isn't it? So first one will be what? 1 upon 6, and second one will be 2 upon 6, third one will be 3 upon 6, fourth one will be 4 upon 6, now 5 upon 6, then here 6 upon 6. But here we have what? 8 upon 6 also. So this 8 upon 6 will increase here. Okay, you have to extend this number line like this. So here it will come 7 upon 6 and next will be 8 upon 6. And we know that this distance should be what? Equal. Okay, this distance should be of equal. Okay, so use your scale and draw it neat and clean. This distance should be equal. So where is our 8 upon 6? So this is our 8 upon 6, and 6 upon 6 we got here 6 upon 6, 4 upon 6, this is 4 upon 6, and 2 upon 6. We have located all this in a number line. So this was the answer of question C question. Now come to question number 2. Okay, let me erase this. Question number 2, compare the fraction and put the appropriate sign. Now we have to compare and we have to put what? Appropriate sign. Okay, first question is given what? First question is given 2 upon 3 and 5 upon 6. Now here you can see this is what? These fractions are like fractions. So in case of like fraction, this is very easy to compare, isn't it? So which will be bigger? 5 upon 6 will be bigger because they are like terms. Now second one, you can see here numerator are not same, isn't it? That means, sorry, denominator are not same. If denominator are not same, that means they are unlike terms. So in case of unlike term, if numerator is equal, then the smaller denominator will be greater. Okay, smaller denominator will be greater than the bigger denominator. So here 1 upon 4 will be greater. Okay, so keep it mind this one. If they are unlike term and the up one, okay, up one means what? Numerator are equal, then the smaller denominator will be the greater fraction. Now C question. What is given in the C question? C question is given 4 upon 5 and 5 upon 5. So here this again a like term. So in case of like term, it is very easy to identify. So 5 upon 5 is greater. Now again here this is unlike term and their unlike term and their numerator is equal. So if numerator is equal, then smaller denominator is greater. So 3 upon 5 is greater than 3 upon 7. So this was the question solution for this question. Now here it is given in the next question. 3 question it is given. Make 5 more each pair and put appropriate sign. Means you have to make some question of yourself. Okay, try it. This, okay, try some question of yourself and try to put the appropriate sign which will be greater. Okay, this is homework. You have to write 5 more pairs of fraction. Now question number 4. Question number 4 is given. Look at the figure and write greater or less. Okay, less or greater between the given pair. So this is given here. You can see this figure. Okay, you can see this figure and questions is given in the below. Okay, let me tell you one thing. Suppose for example these are chocolate. Okay, these are a chocolate strip. Okay, these are a chocolate. Now first one is full one chocolate. If somebody is having this chocolate, that means you are getting one full chocolate. And from here, if somebody is eating chocolate from here, that means here it is written half, isn't it? That means this chocolate is divided into 2 parts. This chocolate is divided into how many parts? 2 parts. And for the third chocolate, you can see this chocolate is again divided into how many parts? 3 parts. Okay, this chocolate is again divided into 3 parts. And now you can see the fourth chocolate is again divided into how many? 4 pieces. Okay, 4 pieces. Now again the last chocolate, I think this is not last, one more is there. So here it is divided into how many pieces? 5 pieces. Okay, one chocolate is divided into 5 pieces. Now here in the same way you can see. Now here you can see this is again divided. This chocolate is again divided into how many pieces? This is divided into 6 pieces. Now you have to answer this question. Okay, you can see 1 upon 6 is here. This is 1 upon 6, isn't it? This is 1 upon 6 and 1 upon 3. So where you can see 1 upon 3? 1 upon 3 you can see here, isn't it? This is 1 upon 3. This is 1 upon 3. That means 1 upon 3 means what? You are having this chocolate. Okay, this many chocolate you are getting. This many chocolate. 1 upon 3 means you are getting this many chocolate. So now 1 upon 3 and 1 upon 6 was there. Now come to 1 upon 6. Now this is 1 upon 6, isn't it? So this is 1 upon 6, you are getting this chocolate. Now between these two chocolate, now which is greater? Between these two chocolate, which will be greater? 1 upon 3 is greater, isn't it? So you will put this sign, okay? 1 upon 3 is greater. So hope you have understood. Now for the next question, you can see 4 upon 3 and 2 upon 6. Now 2 upon 6, okay, 2 upon 6 is given. That means you are getting 2 upon 6 means you are getting this chocolate, okay, 2 piece of chocolate you are getting. 3 upon 4, where is 3 upon 4? 3 upon 4, where we can see, yes, 3 upon 4. 3 upon 4 is here. That means for 3 upon 4 you are getting all this chocolate. So whose chocolate is greater now? Whose chocolate is greater? 3 upon 4 chocolate is greater, isn't it? So if you will compare these two fractions, then which will be greater? This will be greater, okay? Which will be greater? 3 upon 4 will be greater. Understood? Now here without using this chocolate example also you can give answer here, because 1 upon 6 and 1 upon 3, isn't it? So which will be greater here? 1 upon 3. How? Because if they are unlike term and their numerator are same, that means the smallest denominator is greater, isn't it? In this way also you can solve this answer. Now C question is given 2 upon 3 and 2 upon 4. Now let me find out where is 2 upon 3 and 2 upon 4. 2 upon 3 and 2 upon 4. 2 upon 3. Where is 2 upon 3? Here. This is 2 upon 3, isn't it? 2 upon 3. And what was the next question? Okay, let me check the question again. 2 upon 3 and 2 upon 4. Yes, 2 upon 3 and 2 upon 4. Now which is greater? Which is greater? You can see here. Whose chocolate? 2 upon 3 is getting 2 piece of chocolate, okay, 2 piece of chocolate, and 2 upon 4 is also getting 2 piece of chocolate. But who's greater? Whose part is greater? Whose part is longer? You can compare these two, isn't it? This is longer than this part. So which will be greater? 2 upon 3 will be greater than 2 upon 4. Okay, so if their numerator are same, then smallest denominator will be the greater fraction. So which is greater here? So from here we can say 2 upon 3 is greater. So this will be greater. Now come to 6 upon 6 and 3 upon 3. Now 6 upon 6. This is 6 upon 6. You can see, isn't it? 6 upon 6. Now again, where is 3 upon 3? Now again you can see 3 upon 3 is here. 3 upon 3. Means you are getting one full strip of chocolate, isn't it? You are getting one full. For 3 upon 3 also you are getting full. And for 6 upon 6 also. For 6 upon 6 also we are getting this full. That means this will be what? Equal or not? Equal, because the length of the chocolate is equal. That means 6 upon 6 is equal to 3 upon 3. And if I will solve in this way, 6 upon 6 is equal to what? 1. In the same way, 3 upon 3 is equal to what? 1. That means they are getting full one chocolate. So here answer will be equal, okay? Now this is your homework. 5 upon 6 and 5 upon 5. You have to put appropriate sign, and this is your homework. And here one more homework is there. Make 5 more such problem and solve them with your friend. Now unfortunately because of this lockdown, nobody is attending class, isn't it? So you have very less friend. If you have a friend in your neighbors, then you can solve with your friend. Okay, you have to find some pairs of fraction of your own, and you have to compare which fraction is greater. Now come to question number 5. Here it is given, how quickly can you do this? Fill appropriate sign. Means how quickly, okay, just by looking the fraction. Now first one we can see, they are unlike term but numerator are same. If numerator are same, then directly what we will do, the smaller denominator will be the greater one. So 1 upon 2 is greater. Directly we can do like this, okay, very quickly we can do. Now second one you can see here, 2 upon 4 and 3 upon 6. Now 2 upon 4 can be converted into 1 upon 2, isn't it? 2 upon 4 can be converted to 1 upon 4. In the same way, 3 upon 6 can be converted to 1 upon 2, because 3 1s are 3 and 3 2s are 6. Here also 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Means they are what? Equal. So they are equal fraction. Now C is given here, 3 upon 5 and 2 upon 3. Now either they are what, unlike term, isn't it? They are not like term, they are unlike term, and their numerators are not equal. Then what you will do in this type of question, we have to make the denominator equal. Okay, we will convert this denominator equal. How you will convert? You will multiply 3 upon 5 with this 3, okay, because they are already in a least fraction. Since they are already in a least fraction, then what you will do, you will make them a equal denominator. That means with 5 you will multiply with 3. With 5 you will multiply with 3. Then what we got? 9 upon 15. Now 2 upon 3. Here also you will multiply with what? 5. And this 5 came from here. So both you will multiply. Numerator, denominator, you will multiply with 5. Then what we got? 15 and 10. Now here you can see their denominator are same, isn't it? Here also 15 and here also we got 15. Now which is bigger here? If denominator are same, then bigger numerator will be the bigger one. 10 is bigger. So 10 is for 2 upon 3. So 2 upon 3 is greater than 3 upon 5. Okay, in this way we have to solve if they are unlike terms and their numerators are not same. Now come to question number D. Now again in question number D, 2 upon 8 can be converted into 1 upon 4, isn't it? Now 3 and 4 cannot be converted because they are already in a least fraction. Now which is greater? If they are like term, then we can say 3 upon 4 is greater. Now for E question, which will be greater? Because their denominator are same, that means 6 upon 5 will be greater. So this type of questions are very easy. Now F. Now F is also what? F is also like terms, isn't it? 9 and 9 are like terms. So which will be greater? 7 upon 9 will be greater. In this way you will solve. Now question number, remaining question, okay, G, H, I, J, K. This question I will keep as a homework. So please try to solve this question with yourself, okay, by yourself. If you will face any problem, doubt, you can ask me, okay, you can comment below in my video. Okay, I will explain the question again. Now come to the next question, question number 6. Question number 6 is, the following fraction represent just 3 different number. Okay, the following fraction represent just 3 different fraction. Separate them into 3 group of equivalent fraction by changing each one of it to a simplest form. So what we have to write? So there are 3 different numbers are here. Only 3 difference means 3 different numbers are there, and others means they are equivalent. Okay, we have to separate them into 3 groups. We have to separate into 3 groups by changing each one to its simplest form. So we have to convert this into simplest form. We know how to convert into simplest form, isn't it? Directly also we can cancel it out, or we can find their factor and then we will cancel the common factor. Now you can cancel this 2 1s are 2 and 2 6 are 12. Now again 3 and 15 can also be cancelled. 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15. Now again 8 can be cancelled with 2. 2 4s are 8 and 2 25 time, isn't it? Now 16 and 100. Now with 4 we can cancel. 4 4s are 16 and 4 25s are 100, isn't it? 4 25s are 100. Now again 10. This can be cancelled with what? 1 upon 6. 10 1s are 10, 10 6 are 60. Now again 15. 15 1s are 15 and 15 3s are 75. So what we got? 1 upon 3 here. Now 12. 12 1s are 12, 12 5s are 60, isn't it? Now again 16 you can cancel with 4 4s are 16. Again this will divisible with 20. 4 time. Again you can cancel this with 4 1 ja 4, 4 6 ja 24. So what we got? 1 upon 6 we got, and here 12 will divide with 3. 3 4 ja 12. Sorry, 3 4 ja 12 and 3 25 ja 3 25 ja 75. Now again this will divide with what? This will divide with 12 1 ja 12 and 12 what time will give? 12 6 ja 72, isn't it? Now again 3 1 ja 3, 3 6 ja 18. Now again 4 1 ja 4, 4 1 ja 4. No, it will not divisible with 4. 4 in 25 is not divisible with any number. So this is mistake, okay? Printing mistake is here. Now what we got? Oh yes, this is already how much? 4 upon 5. This already in a least fraction. We cannot make this into another least fraction. So what are the three different numbers? Three different numbers are 1 upon 6, 1 upon 5 and 4 upon 25, isn't it? So in 1 upon 6 is equal to which number? A, then A, again 1 upon 6 is E, 1 upon 6 is H, J and K. Now A, then E, then we got H, then we got J, then K, isn't it? So these all are equal to what? 1 upon 6. And now for 1 upon 5. So which are equal to 1 upon 5? Which are equal to 1 upon 5? B, then B, sorry, this is 5, okay? 15 1 ja 15 and 15 5 ja 75, yes. Now this is also 1 upon 5. G is also 1 upon 5. So what we got for 1 upon 5? We got B, F and G, okay? Now for 4 upon 25. So which are 4 upon 25? 4 upon 25 are C, D, I and J. These are equal to 4 upon 25. Okay, I will show you the written part, okay? So solution you will write in this way, okay? I was just explaining there, maybe you are getting confusion, so you will write in this way. So after cancelling, after reducing them into a least fraction, lowest fraction, we got all this value, isn't it? We got all this value. So group 1, 1 upon 5, they are B, F and G. And group 2, 1 upon 6, they are A, E, H, J and K. And group 3, 4 upon 25, so they are C, D, I and L, isn't it? So this is the answer of question number 6.